How to make aggressive shakes in Capcut. So go to your Capcut application, click on this new project, press on the clip, put a keyframe on the start and at the end of the clip, go to the first keyframe, go to graphs, find ease out 3, and then proceed to animations. Find shake 1 and put it on the shortest setting. Now go to effects, find shake 2, tap on adjust, put the blur to 50 and the range to 75, and then adjust it to the shortest setting again. Now click on copy, tap on adjust, make the blur 75 and the range 25. Make the blur 50 and make the range 75. Next, make the blur 35 and make the range 25. Next, make the blur 25 and make the rotate 75. Next, make the blur 15 and make the range 25. And lastly, make the blur 5 and make the rotate 75. After this, go to effects, find jitter, and then press adjust. Put the range to 100. Put it on the entire clip and do it again. Go to effects, find jitter, press adjust, and put the range to 100. Next, go to overlay and select black screen. Make its range start at the half of the clip until the end. Go to animations, then press fade out. So that is how you make aggressive shakes in Capcut. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.